Kling's newest video models are now in FLORA. With Kling 3.0 Pro, you get multi-shot scenes from a single prompt, up to 15 seconds clips with native audio, and unbreakable subject consistency. Kling O3 delivers full video generation with reference clips and supports multi-reference inputs, including video. Here are some examples of how to use them. Drop an image you would like to animate. Generate a video prompt with a shot list and a dialogue using a text node. And connect the output and the original image to a video node. Set it to Kling 3.0 Pro and select the duration. This model can generate up to 15 seconds.
Still can't believe you actually said that to your boss.
Someone had to. You should have seen his face.
You're something else, you know that?
Using a grid image is a trick for achieving multi-shot videos. Upload a 2x2 grid and make a shot list generated by a text node and connect them to a video node. Kling 3.0 Pro really nails the realistic dialogue and expression of the characters. Here's another example with more emotion involved.
This restaurant is so fancy.
You don't like that?
I just wanted to eat a burger.
Try interpolating 2 frames to make a seamless transformation video. Connect 2 images that show the before and after and a prompt generated by a text node. Edit parts of a video using Kling O3 Pro Edit. Provide a reference image and write the changes in the prompt. Make a motion graphics video using the multi-reference feature in Kling O3 Pro References. Connect all the images together to a video node and put in a short prompt. Set the duration up to 15 seconds. Kling O3 Pro References can also take a video as a reference. Connect all the reference points together and put in a video prompt generated by a text node. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.